everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wasn't actually planning on filming today. I was just going to film an Instagram tutorial, but I got a package in the post and I really wanted to film with it. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Plouise and Makeup Mitchell collaboration. Now, you've probably seen this all over the internet. A lot of people are talking about it. People have done reviews already, but I just got mine in PR and I really wanted to do a video on it. This is what's inside. It comes with 3 brushes. This looks like a mirror, but it's 3 little brushes. I'll show you them in a minute. And 6 eye paint things. Blank canvas shade, so it's like a light skin tone shade. And then they have 5 different colors. So what I really like is that all of the names start with a letter of the word rain. So we have Raver, which is a pink. I'll get them out of the box in a minute. We have Ecstasy, which is a purple, I believe. Ibiza, which is a lighter lilac, which I really like. Glow Girl, which is a deeper pink. And then Nitro, which is like a tealy blue shade. And then these are the brushes. There's 3 brushes. There's a liner brush, a kind of round flat concealer brush, which would be great for cutting the crease, and then an angled brush as well. 15 grams in here. They feel really small. So just for size reference, this is the original Plouise base, and then this is the new eye paint. So this is the shade Raver. I squeezed out too much now, I won't go back in. So that is a really bright pink. The formula is really thick, but seems really cool. But that's the shade Ecstasy. They're so pigmented. They kind of remind me of a lipstick formula, weirdly. So that's Nitro on the end. Oh, I think my favourite is either Nitro or Ibiza. And now I'm going to swatch blank canvas. Yeah, that has separated a little bit. It's a little bit of a thinner formula, but that is the shade. Basically, I watched my friend Erin's video on this collection and she used them as eyeshadows, and I really want to do that. I think that's a really cool idea, and I think that it'd work because, well, it worked for her, so we shall see. I'm not sure what look to do though. I kind of want to use all of them. What we're going to do is take the shade Ecstasy, which is the dark purple, and I'm just going to take this on an Anastasia A2 brush. And what I'm going to do is pack this on my outer corner. I hardly used any product, that's so pigmented. I'm now going to take a little brush to blend that out. Just going to blend out a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take some of the shade Ibiza, which is the light purple shade. And I'm just taking it on the same brush that I blended out that shade with. And I'm just going to lightly press that on and then just wipe off the excess and start to blend that out. Okay, sorry, I've got a new camera and I'm trying to work it out and I can't work it out. So I'm sorry if this footage is just really bad or the audio is bad or something. So I'm just kind of stippling that out and kind of taking tiny little blending motions. If you go too hard, then it will just like press above and like the shadow, well, the paint will be harsh in that area. So you just want to really lightly take this. Now just going back in with the brush with the darker purple, I'm just going to reinforce that a little bit as it did get lost underneath the lighter purple. And I'm just going backwards and forwards between those shades just to get a good blend in between them. I'm going to go in with the darker purple, which is Glow Girl. Darker purple, darker blue, which is Glow Girl. I'm going to go with the darker pink, which is Glow Girl. I'm basically going to do the same thing as I did with the purples, but with the pinks. I'm just going to take these shades inner part this time of my crease. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Raver, which is the lighter pink. I'm kind of brushing it off on my hand so that I don't have much product. I'm just blending it upwards. So this is what I've got so far. It's going really well. These are nothing like I've ever worked with before, but they're working so nicely. I'm going to get the other eye up to the same level. I'll probably just speed this up. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. I'm really liking them. It is a little bit harder to work with for blending out than usual eyeshadows, but they aren't made for that. I'm now going to cut the crease, so I'm going to use the yellow brush out of the collection, and I'm going to take the blank canvas shade and I'm going to cut the crease with this. And then what I think I'm going to do is apply the Nitro shade on the outer bit of the half cut crease. And I also think I'm going to do a bit of liner using this shade just along the top of the half cut crease. But I'm going to make that decision in a bit once I've done both of my eyes. So I'm now going to take the liner brush and I'm going to take Nitro again, and I'm going to put a line on the top of my half cut crease and then blend it into the Nitro on the outer corner. Okay, so this is what I have got right now. So doing that liner with the shade was so easy. Like, I find doing liner really hard, but that was so easy. Obviously it wasn't like a wing liner, but it was really easy to get a thin line, and the brush was really good too. I really like these brushes actually. I'm gonna go do my base off camera, well, on camera for Instagram. So if you wanna see what I used on my base, then go check out my Instagram mini tutorial and it'll be on there. And then I'll be back for you to do the lower lash line and stuff, so. Okay, so I've had to change back to my old camera for I don't know how long because I don't have any spare batteries for my new camera yet. So sorry if the quality has changed. I think I'm just going to do what I did up here. Okay, so this is the finished look I came up with. It's not perfect. I've been using new products, so I'm not used to them. I feel like something's missing and I don't know what. Oh, inner corner highlight. So the paints each will be £14.50. Then the brushes are £24 for the 3. I'm not sure if you can buy the whole set. I'm sure you'll be able to buy the whole set because they launch on the 16th of August, which is in 9 days. From when I'm filming this video. I'm not sure when it's going to go up. I'm going to try and get it up tonight because I have an exciting thing coming tomorrow which I want to film with and get it up. So there might be 2 videos in 2 days. Lucky you. I really like them. Obviously they aren't supposed to be for eyeshadow like blending out, but they did blend nicely. I mean, I did have to work a little bit longer on them than I would with normal eyeshadow, but they did blend really nicely, and the pigment is really pretty. Like, they are so pigmented. I absolutely love them for eyeliner. Love it. I got such a clean line. I love it for my waterline. It's mostly the blank canvas shade that's creasing, but my eyes crease so much anyway. Like, I have quite a few creases. That's gonna happen, I feel like, no matter what you put on your eyelids. But yeah, it was easy to cut the crease. It was really easy to do the eyeliner. I love it for the eyeliner and the waterline. As I said, I really like these brushes and I will be using them again. All 3 of them, to be honest. If you want to know the other information about my face makeup, my lipstick, etc, go to my Instagram. There will be a little tutorial over there. I would recommend getting these products. Maybe get one of the pinks instead of both. I feel like the pinks are very similar. They don't look that similar on my hand. Obviously these are dried down now. On the eye I couldn't really tell a difference. But maybe when they're not blended out, then I'd see a difference. But the blue, I feel like the blue is my favourite shade and I suggest getting that one the most. But then the lilac is also my second favourite shade. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to buy any of these products and which shade you would buy or which shade you're going to buy. Thank you so much for the Plouise girls for sending me over this package. Oh yeah, also I have a discount code with Plouise. They sent it to me the other day. I haven't promoted it anywhere yet. But if you just wanted to get some money off your order for this collection, it's Alice King Makeup 10, I believe. If it's wrong, I'll correct that on the screen. But I believe it's Alice King Makeup 10. If you want to save some money, save some dollars, then go do that. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. It would really mean a lot. I post lots of different makeup looks over there and little tutorials now, so if you want to see my face makeup and stuff, then go check that out. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!